Welcome to our channel. Today we how to deploy data encryption with McAfee step by step clearly. To begin, ensure you have administrative access to your McAfee console. Open the McAfee ePolicy Orchestrator, or EPO, on your system. Log in using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the Policy section in the left-hand menu. Select Policy Catalog to view existing policies. Click on the Data Encryption option to create a new policy. Choose New Policy from the drop-down menu. Enter a name for your data encryption policy and provide a description. Select the type of data encryption you wish to implement, such as file level or full disk encryption. Configure the encryption settings based on your organization's requirements. Specify user permissions for accessing encrypted files. Set a recovery key policy to ensure users can regain access to their data if needed. Review your settings for accuracy. Once confirmed, click Save to create the policy. Next, navigate to the Systems tab in the EPO console. Identify the systems where you want to deploy the encryption. Select the appropriate systems by checking the boxes next to their names. Click on the Actions button at the top of the systems list. Choose Assign Policy from the drop-down menu. In the dialog box, select the data encryption policy you just created. Click OK to apply the policy to the selected systems. Now, navigate to the Agent section to ensure the McAfee agent updates. Choose the Update Agents option. This will push the new policy to the selected systems. Once the update is complete, monitor the systems for compliance. Check the status of encryption deployment under the Tasks tab. Ensure all systems have successfully implemented the new encryption policy. In case of any issues, review the logs for troubleshooting. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.